Thank you for purchasing the Breeze 8. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very best out of your new CareCo product. Your Breeze 8 rollator should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape surrounding the box with a pair of scissors or a knife. Once the box is open, lift out the frame. Remove excess packaging with a pair of scissors, but please do take extra care to avoid cutting the metal frame and the cable breaks. Inside a clear plastic bag, you'll find the instructions as well as 6 tightening knobs, which can be used to adjust the height of the handlebars and legs. You can now fix the rear wheels to the frame. Make sure these legs are placed where they'll be on the side closest to you when walking with the frame. Push the leg into the frame. The height adjustable bolt will click when the leg is fixed firmly in place. Push this button again to adjust the height. Make sure both legs are at the same height, then insert the tightening knobs into the frame. This will further secure the legs in place when using the rollator. Repeat this process to attach the front wheels. The front wheels are connected to the handlebars by the cable brakes, so this is why you must make sure that the front wheels are on the correct side. The palm rests on the handlebars should be facing inwards. This will give you a more comfortable grip when using the product. With the front wheels in, you can now add the handlebars. Secure the handlebars using the tightening knobs. There are holes on the side that allow for a variety of handle heights. Make sure the handlebars line up for better comfort when walking with the rollator. Finally, attach the folding backrest, which can be easily clipped into the frame. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any more questions about the Breeze 8 or its assembly, then have a look on our website, pop into one of our showrooms, or simply give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.